It's recording. Don't you just love randomness-ish?
Yeah, this is what you do when you get random.
Yeah, don't ask. We're making a random video too. We don't have a script or anything.
We're just kind of bored, and she just kind of just turned to me and she's like, "Hey, do you want to do a video?"
That's not how I wish. Wait, oh, she's right there. Okay, well, just
better not talk about me behind.
She's rich.
No, pop her. She doesn't say that.
Okay, well,
Charlie bit me. Sabrina bit me.
Okay, well.
Sabrina bit my finger.
Okay, to make this clear, me and
Look,
Jessica.
you kinda did.
I did.
I did too.
I gotta redo it.
Did you see that?
Okay, just ignore it for a second. You know how me and Jessica used to do Dumbass of the Year? Well, me and Jessica are like we're like this, now we're like the thumb and the pinky. We're far away. So she's my new best friend. She'll be the new Jessica.
Okay, now we're gonna shut you off, and we're gonna watch you.
Okay, so bye.